Our society is entering an era of daily evolution through the use of technologies such as artificial intelligence and quantum computers. The mobility field will expand into autonomous driving, EVs, next-generation air mobility, and outer space in the future. In October 2023, in order to meet the demands, MECO started operation of its Tendo factory, which is one of the largest in Japan, in Tendo City of Yamagata Prefecture. Based on the concept of a state-of-the-art eco-smart factory, the Tendo factory is equipped with automated guided vehicle robots, automated warehouses, and automated facilities. By integrating and automating production equipment, we save manpower and reduce defects caused by human error. Furthermore, we aim to improve quality by strengthening the management system through QR code management as a part of the introduction of DX. In consideration of the global environment, we have adopted in-house solar power generation, the use of natural gas, and the reuse of steam return water and flush water. In addition, energy-saving operations are being carried out by controlling indoor air conditioning and ventilation in the facility, introduction of the latest utility equipment and inverter controls, and installing LED lighting with motion sensors. The Tendo factory has a site area of approximately 65,000 square meters. The factory has a production area that focuses on the manufacturing of next-generation automotive printed circuit boards and an R&D area that develops cutting-edge technologies. As the second headquarters of MECO, Tendo factory not only functions as a plant for mass production of printed circuit boards, but also conducts R&D on printed circuit boards and develops automated equipment for use in the factory. Manufacturing capacity is planned to be 30,000 square meters for Step 1 in March 2024, and 60,000 square meters for Step 2 in March 2026. In the future, we plan to expand our production area to manufacture a wide range of products, including medium to high layer, high-density build-up printed circuit boards and semiconductor package substrates. Tendo factory will provide manufacturing that satisfies customers by realizing the eco-smart factory. Challenge and contribute to the evolution of electronics.